Hello beautiful people. Welcome back to another tutorial of Golang for Absolute Beginner course, and in this tutorial we will learn about functions. So before jumping to this tutorial, I am creating a file functions.go, right? So first of all, what is a function? uh, a function is something which is responsible to do stuff. For example, a sum function, a addition function. These function, what they do, they perform computational operation, right? These are the function, and a function uh, takes input and returns output according to mathematics, right? We have functions in mathematics also. In according to mathematics, we give them input and they return output. So same goes for programming. We have functions in programming also, and they we also call them as unit, right? When we do unit testing. So let's see how we can create function in Go programming. So for creating function, we need to import fmt. So I am creating a main function, right? And I am creating another function which is say message string id. Okay guys, so this is the template for a function I created. For we have a main function in Go programming, right? This is the main function. It execute when we run our Go program, but we can create our own function help us to perform a certain operation, right? A function takes an input and returns output, or if we want to print something on the console or terminal, we can use function for that purpose also, right? So as you can see, I have created a function say message, and in that function I have passed two parameters, right? First one is message, which is string, which is of string type, and second one is id, which is of integer type. And after that, within that function, I am printing both of these values to the console, right? So now our next step will be how we can execute this function. So this is very simple. We need to call this function in our main method, and we need to pass message, right? Hi, I am Vivek. Hi, I am Vivek, aka Slim Coder. Okay, so I passed the first value, and now comes second value. I will pass 1. Okay, so let me repeat this one again for you. I created package main, imported fmt module, and within our main function I have invoked the say message function, right? And within that say message, and I created that function separately. Say message function was created separately, right? So Let's run this program and see what is our output. Go run functions.go. See, the message is, hi, I am Vivek aka Slim Coder, and the ID is 1, right? So a function is something when in which we give some input and it returns an output, right? So this is all about functions. Functions are very important and very easy to use. So keep practicing function, because nowadays functional programming is on the top of programming paradigms, right? Once there was OOP, but now we have functional programming because of unit testing, integration testing, and different type of testing. Actually functions make our testing much more easier than the classes and OOP, right? So I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. So before jumping to our next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.